Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the Zhiyun Crane 2 and we're going to set it up, we're going to try to balance it, and yeah, let's go. So the first thing you have to do is you slide the camera in the gimbal. So after that, you want the camera to be facing forward and balanced like this. What you have to do first is slide it around. So if it's tilting upwards, if it's tilting up like that, you have to move it a little bit forward. And if it's facing this way, if it's facing down, you have to put it a little bit backwards. So there you go. When it's facing like this now, what you want to do is go to the second step where you edit this part. So what you want to do is tilt it going forward, and you want the camera to face the ground, and then you want it to stay there, of course. So what you have to do is loosen the screw here and then move this a little bit backwards, or a little bit forwards, I mean. There you go. You want it to stay like this, so you lock it. If you put it up, it will stay up. If you put it down, it will stay down. If you put it forward or facing forward, it will face forward. So there, it's a little bit, we're almost there. We're almost done balancing it. And then the third one is you want it to be balanced and be straight like this. So you edit this one. So you loosen it again, and you don't want it to be like this, or you don't want it to be like that, right? So you want it to be equally balanced. Check if it's tilting like this or tilting like that. It's pretty good now. So yeah, the last thing you have to do is do this and put your camera like this. You don't want the camera to be facing the ground like that. You want it to be facing the camera forward. So what you have to do here is change this one, the one very near to your motor of your gimbal. So you don't want it to be really high like that, because the tendency is this part will go forward or backward. So you just want it to be really, really close and not tilting. So there you go. So there, it's pretty stable now, and we're gonna turn the motor on now. So you press the power button and then you wait for it, and then there you go. It just moved a little bit, and that means it's being stable now. So yeah, we're done stabilizing the Zhiyun Crane 2, and you're ready to go outside. So there you go, that's the camera we're trying to take a video with. It's not focusing well, but taking some videos, stabilized videos, taking some sweet and crisp video, not shaky, not moving. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe if you want to. This is also a school video, school project for Mr. Wright. Thank you for letting me make this video with a Zhiyun 2 crane, with a Zhiyun Crane 2.
Look. Pretty, isn't it? Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.